Hello everyone, today we continue our series with reviews of resin accessories. Actually it's pressing series from Eduard, and as you can see this time we have a chance to check new kit for the 72nd scale. But first let me invite you to check video review with previous bigger resin kit which you can find here, and of course don't forget to check our website here. So as for today's set, as I said, it's 1/72nd scale kit. Part of the resin series, which is designed for recent Spitfire Mk.IX. As you can see, it comes packed into this nice small transparent plastic box. We have all parts on display here. Here we have PE thread. Also note that resin parts are secured with foam, so no worries about possible damage. On the back side there is a, let's say, improvised parts map and also paints chart. So let's open this box and check what's inside. Just give me a second. I will try to open it fast. Okay, we are ready. Okay, so assembly manual is finished in form of small brochure, as you can see here. Inside we have detailed instructions, and also we have short list of available accessories for this model kit. As you can see, assembly process should be quite, I would say, easy. I mean, if you have experience, it will be easy to assemble resin parts together. I've worked with bigger Spitfire Cockpit 1/48 scale, and I can say that it was quite nice experience. And the overall result is quite pleasant, so it's worth it. Next we have PE thread, as I said. Just give me a second to remove the securing cardboard. Here it is. It's a tiny PE thread which is designed to replicate different covered parts. Here we have dashboard, belts and some minor elements. As you can see, it's a typical Eduard product, so no worries about the possible quality problems. Also here we have transparent film which should replicate some minor see-through elements on your cockpit. Now let's remove foam and we'll check what's there. Okay, here we have different cockpit parts. As you can see, some of them are placed even on one base, several parts. Here we have two types of the dashboard. Note that one features pre-molded dials and one is plain. Next we have more of resin parts. For example, here we have dashboard base, let's say. Next we have one of the cockpit frame parts. Then we have minor elements again molded on one base. Next we have cockpit walls. Those look quite impressive. I would say that detailing is much better than plastic parts, but of course it will require careful assembly. Here we have seat support or seat frame. As for the pilot seat, it is molded as a one-piece part, as you can see here. Quite tiny part, as you can see. I can pick it up with one finger. And here we have cockpit floor, which is molded now together with pedals. I mean, the pedals themselves will have to be assembled out of PE parts or resin parts, but their arms are molded here. And again, I'm quite impressed with detailing of those resin walls. They look quite nice. So that's all for this video review. Of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion in the comment section here below. And of course, share this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I would be happy to see you in the list of our subscribers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video review as usual.